We got the goods, y'all. Here is a little Shein haul. We got a nice size box. Shein haul. Loading up right now. So welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fee here, and today we got a little Shein haul. I just want to let y'all know ahead of time, if you clicked on this thinking this is about to be a full fall closet of clothes, it is not. I've ordered clothes from Shein one time and it wasn't a great purchase, you know. All the items did not do me great or good. Like, I think I ordered like 10 items of clothing and I was only able to wear like 5 pieces of it. So I don't really trust them with the clothes yet, but y'all be looking cute. Y'all be looking cute. And not to say I didn't get clothes, but this is not a full clothing Shein haul. You know how I go. Home goods, and I just moved, so we had to get some new stuff, right? Okay, so if you're new here, what's up? What's popping? What's going on? If you're returning, hey, how you doing? How your mama and them? What's up? Make sure you subscribe to this here channel. Give this video a thumbs up. But I'm not gonna hold you any longer. Let's get into the haul, okay? First things up, I think I'm gonna just put the prices on the screen because A, I don't remember them, and B, I don't have the shipping label thing, the packing label anymore. So first things first, I got these, what are they called? Air fryer liners. It came with, I don't remember. Oh, 50 air fryer liners in the pack. You know, regular degular, because my air fryer been going through it, so I needed something new. Alright, next on the docket is a dish. This is like a sink. You wrap this around the sink, this piece. You wrap this piece around the sink, the faucet, and it holds your like sponges or whatever, that type of stuff. Your stopper, you can put in here. That's what this is. That's what it looks like. It has holes at the bottom, as you can see, to catch the water, well, drip the water out. There we go. Because the plastic was killing it, okay? It's all gray. It's just a very light gray, so you know how that comes across on the screen. Next. So the next thing is the triangle powder puff thingies for your face. This one came with 5. Well, you know how it goes. Put your fingers in. Bop, 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 bop. Yep, triangle powder puffs. And they're super soft too. And I'm pretty sure I got them for like $1 or something. I don't know. Alright, so this little package, I think it's sandal. Oh yeah, so okay, so this is what the sandal looks like. Super cute. It's like an off-white creamy color. Then the strap goes across your ankle like that, like so. Little chunky heel. Solid, super cute. Hopefully they fit. I did get it in the 7.5. Super cute though. Okay, so I also got a dress. That's what this looks like. It's a tie around the neck, open back, flowy something. Super cute. Super cute. Okay, so the next thing is a super cute ice tray. The ice cubes go into here. Cute. It comes with a scooper and oh, this goes into the top. And then the top has like a, oh, I don't know what this is. What does this do? What does this do? I don't know, but super cute ice tray. Put your little ice water in here, and then you could just literally flip them into here, and then you have a ice tray versus leaving them in there and trying to pop them out. You know, just cute. And then this, I'm assuming, goes in here. Like that, like so. An ice tray, basically. You know how sometimes you just be buying stuff and you like, oh, I think that'd be dope. But that is cute though. And plus my refrigerator is smaller now, so that would be perfect. Okay, so next is like a jewelry holder. These slide out like that, like so. Isn't that so cute? I really got it to put like my okay, here. I got it to put my like rings and earrings in here, bracelets and little stuff like that. And plus it's like aesthetically pleasing because right now I have them in like a something that's not this cute, you know, then I could just be like, oh, let me get that. Slide. You feel me? You're picking them up and down. A jewelry holder. Okay, so I just got one more thing. See, I told you I wasn't holding y'all. Not holding y'all long at all. It's another pair of shoes that we just gonna hope for the best for. Super cute black sandals. Something super simple. I'm just like at the point that I need to like re-up on these because again, Texas, I can still wear these right now. Whereas back home, they like putting sandals up. So I feel like it's just time to get new sandals, and then my fall sandals could be my next summer sandals. You know, it's just kind of. Alright guys, that is all for now with the Shein haul. If y'all have clothing ordering tips for Shein, like jeans and basics, like do I just need to like read all the reviews before I buy it, or like what? Tell me the tips, the tricks into ordering cute clothes from Shein, cause I don't got that bug. It skipped me. So y'all help me out in the comments, okay? It's been real. It's your girl Fee. And this was a quick little Shein haul, little $60 spent. I think I spent like $60. I don't know, y'all do the math. I'm gonna put the prices of each item on the screen. Otherwise, it's been real. It's your girl Fee. Peace.